Hey guys, Megan here from Butterbean Shop. I'm here to do an unboxing today. I ordered some stuff from Sin City Soap and Candles. Nicole and Wayne. They are some fabulous soap makers and bath and body maker product makers, and I've been watching them for a long time. They are so entertaining and they're so talented. So I decided to go ahead and make a purchase. So I wanted to do an unboxing. She has a YouTube channel, if you guys don't know. It's Sin City Soaps and Candles. I'll put the link below so you can check them out. And also she has an Etsy shop. So let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing. I'm gonna pull you guys down so you can see. Here is the box, and it has some wonderful little stickers on here. And it came super fast. It came really fast. So let's go ahead and open this. Okay. We finally got some rain here in the Bay Area, California. And so I'm so happy. But oh, in here it says, Megan, thank you. Aww. You are welcome. Thank you. Thank you for being you. So it has my little invoice in here. And all right. Peanuts. Let me take these peanuts out. Take these peanuts out. Okay, I got a sticker. Oh, I got a card too. Ooh, got a card. Okay, let me get this card. Oh, and it has a snowflake sticker on it. Thank you. Oh, Wayne and Nicole, personal thank you card. So that's very sweet, very nice touch. All right. And then I will rip in here. Oh my gosh! I've got more stuff than I ordered. Oh, thank you guys so much. Oh, thank you, Nicole. Oh, so sweet. Oh, okay, so in here I did not order this. This is a gift. Oh, thank you. This is Creamy Honey and Shea Body Wash. Oh, I can't wait to try this. I'm gonna use this tonight, girl. Thank you so much. Let me smell it. Oh, it smells so good, and it's so thick. Oh, it smells so good. So it has aloe juice in it, cocoa, betaine, so cocoa betaine, and all this stuff that's it is natural, but it's surfactant. I think it's a surfactant. Is that what you say? It's natural though. I know that much. It has glycerin and honey. It has shea butter. Oh, wonderful. I can't wait to try it. Thank you, Wayne and Nicole. Oh my gosh, and it smells amazing, you guys. It smells amazing. Thank you. I'm gonna try this tonight. And then I have, okay, Nicole, girl, you know my struggle with bath bombs. I think I have a good recipe, but yours are super hard. So I am going to also have my daughter try, her favorite color is pink. So I'm gonna have her put this in her bath tonight. And yeah, oh, thank you so much. Oh, and she makes amazing bath bombs, you guys. Amazing bath bombs. I am a novice at best, but she makes really good bath bombs. And I've got 3. But I also bought one too. I'm not gonna give my daughter the one I bought. And I'm also only gonna give her one of these, and I'll take the rest myself. Okay, and then we have, this is the bath bomb that I bought. This is Winter Fairy Tale Bath Bomb. And I am just in awe with how big it is. It's super big. It's huge, you guys. It's huge. I mean, absolutely huge. So I can't wait to put this in the bath. I will do a video when I do that so you can see it. Oh, it's gorgeous. And she has all these little flowers on here, and it's just gorgeous. And I know that there's some embeds in here, so I can't wait to see what colors come out. So I will definitely do a video when I put that in the bathtub. Thank you so much. And then I ordered 2 soaps because she makes, oh, look, I was about to, see, I was about to leave this out. Candy Apple lip balm. Oh, I need some too. I need some really bad. I'm about to open this right now, you guys. Put this on. Okay. Oh. Oh, it smells good. I need this too. My lips are so shot. Oh, thank you, girl. Right on time. Right on time. Okay. Oh, thank you so much. And it's great. Look at that. Love it. Thank you. Oh, I'm gonna have to buy some. This is the bomb. You guys, this is the bomb. No, my daughter cannot have this. This is, I like that. So silky. Okay, let me move on. I'm sure you guys are so done with me smacking my lips. But yeah, no, this is great. Candy apple. I like that. And then I bought peppermint. Ooh, and it's so nice. I love it. So I love peppermint. I think it's wonderful. And I had to get it. It was so cute. I love the little embed at the top. And girl, you know, I told you before, I don't make high top soaps, but I buy them. So I'm glad I bought yours. It's so pretty to look at. Yeah, I can't wait to crack this up. I'm gonna open it just a little bit so I can smell it. Okay, I'm gonna open it just a little so I can smell it. All right. All right. Oh, it smells so good. Peppermint. It smells like peppermint candy. So it smells like how it looks, like peppermint candy. Okay, wonderful. And then I bought gingerbread. Now, I love gingerbread houses. And I wanted to get this because, you know, I wanted to get into the festive holiday spirit. And it smells so good. And it's so cute. And I will say this, you guys. Her soaps are a really good size. It's a really good size. Yeah, I love tall skinny bars. This is a good mix between a tall and skinny and a standard size. It's not necessarily tall, skinny, and it's not necessarily a standard size bar. And I like how it fits in the hand too. And I just think it's so cute. I love it. This soap, it's like, it smells spicy, but it's not too much. You know what I mean? It's very subtle. It's like it's a nice spice. So you guys, I am done with my unboxing. I think I'm done now. All the rest in here is just padding to protect all the goodies that are in here. And I'm glad they did that because, you know, the post office don't give 2 cents about your stuff. So anyway, you guys go check out Nicole and Wayne over at Sin City Soap and Candle. And yeah, they're amazing and they're so cute. And I just love how they interact together. It's such a good husband and wife duo. I wish my husband actually wanted to make some soap with me. He made me some soap molds, but he is not gonna make any soap. So Nicole, thank you so much. Thank you so much for my gifts and my goodies. I really appreciate it. So yeah, you guys, check them out. Just amazing amazing soap makers and stuff like that. So you guys have a really good rest of your day. Thank you for tuning in. If you like what you've seen, please go ahead and click the like button and subscribe and leave a comment. Go check out, buy some stuff from Nicole. And yeah, have a great day. Take care. See you soon.